You will discover the fascinating.
Alright, here we have another elevator here at the Soldiers Memorial. This one is an old Westinghouse. Unfortunately, it's been modernized pretty heavily. You can see the shaft lights on. You can actually see it come down. But the real attraction here is the restored cab of this beautiful old Westinghouse elevator. Probably from the 50s, based on that logo. But this isn't very exciting. I would love to see the old buttons. This actually, oh, I see what we need to ride later. This actually looks like it used to be a hand-operated elevator, but look at this cab. Beautifully restored and preserved. There's the old, where you used to open the doors. Very tastefully modernized. Westinghouse. That is pretty sweet. That used to be a hand-operated elevator. All right, that'll be it.